sisedwesi eziyabuya sokhangela abantu asabanika 1000 rand. Here's this quiz for 1k. You answer all my questions, 3 of them, to guy 1000 rand. 5 seconds to answer, 1 chance to answer. Then uzibambele 1000 rand yakho bhuda yam. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I'm trying to look around sibone basinika bani le 1000 rand. Bhuda, let's find umuntu simnike imali. Igama ngubani?
Ulusinesi.
Sundis, Shaul Sundis. So Sundis, so we're playing here in fact. I have 3 questions for you, ne? You get them all right, you can get 1000 rand, ne? For each question you have 5 seconds to answer, 1 chance to answer. Ne? So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Please spell for me photosynthesis.
From the distances, it's a P H O T O S T A N D S.
So I have 3 questions for you. You get them all right, you can get 1000 rand. Okay. For each question you have 5 seconds to answer, 1 chance to answer. Ne? Let's go. First question. Please spell for me photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis, P H O T O synthesis, C Y. This is N T H E S I S.
So your questions I'm singabi konze.
Eh.
Cala ukukhisa kokugqibela futhi apha. Okay. Unjani?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm also good. Speaking to Leah Nqaba, wena?
Makaziwe Thako, the rich aunt.
The rich aunt, yeah. Okay. Okay, rich aunt, I have 3 questions for you now. You get them all right, I give you 1000 rand.
Okay.
Yeah. So for each question you have 5 seconds to answer, 1 chance to answer.
Okay.
Okay, good. Let's go. Please spell for me photosynthesis.
P-H-O-T-E... Oh, P-T-O... start, man. Okay, wait. Oh my God. It's P-H-O-T-O-T-Y-E... Oh, fuck on hell.
Marikam?
Kwanele Mketeni.
Kwanele, sure, Kwanele. So Kwanele, I have 3 questions for you, ne? It's a quiz. You get them all right, I give you 1000.
Sure.
5 seconds to answer each question, 1 chance to answer.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it then. Please spell for me photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis is P S Y T. Nah.
S as in pack.
No. P.
Let's go. Please spell for me photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis, PHOTOSYNTHESIS.
I like it. Okay, let's go. Second question. 17 times 81.
17 times 81. 1387. It can't be.
Yeah, no, ndikhafile. Khafile, no, like I don't know mhlawumbe ndiyaphapha lento okuphisa ngemali or what abantu abayifuna imali. Phoxo ngaba seziyabusa edwesi ngoko. No one. But anyway, mfethu yazi we moving on. See us kwesakho strato nawe yithi ubufuna siyephi usixelele sibe khona sibe sendaweni yakho ndiphisa nge1000 rand. It's quiz 1k no Leah Nqaba. You answer all my 3 questions ngiguy 1000 rand. Or if you see us on the street, man, just say hala sikubethe quiz sihlala si ready, you know. Buda yam. Kho drive sihambe apha. Ayikho lento.